Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 73 Road Runner. It's got a 408 stroker, a 4-speed, beautiful black interior. This car's hot, guys. Check it out at our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that stroker motor. We're gonna look at the interior. We'll look inside the trunk. We'll show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on this 73 Road Runner. So come on up, we'll fire this beast up for you right now. All right, look at this beauty, man. The chrome on the front bumper looks good. Everything's blacked out in the front, and I love the paint on this car, man. That paint is popping, and the hood, just an amazing build on this car. When you look down the side of it, I love the black stripe, the black wheels. It's got that NASCAR look for it. It's like, let's go racing. It's got the skirt on the side, just like a race car. Look inside the interior here. It's beautiful. Door panel looks good. The dash looks good. The wood grain looks great. It's got that pistol shifter, long grip, 4-speed shifter in it. Those seats are in beautiful shape. We got seat belts in the front and in the rear. The dash pad's in good shape. Now we are going to do some work on the headliner on this car, so that headliner will be brand new when it hits your driveway. The dash pad itself's in beautiful shape. And take a look at these door jambs here. Look how nice and clean that is. That's the telltale sign on every car right there. I'll grab the keys here and we'll check the trunk. Chrome on the back bumper's in good shape. It looks like it's probably original, showing just a tiny bit of age on the top edge here, but the chrome here is looking beautiful. Take a look inside the trunk here. Oh, it doesn't look like that's the key. I got about 4 more keys here. We may be here a minute. Hey, look at that, second chance. Now they've got an Optima battery mounted in the trunk here. See those wheel wells, how nice and clean they are? And the back sides of the quarters are nice and clean. There is a jack and a spare tire in there. Paint on the bottom side of the deck lid looks great. All the gutters here around the deck lid opening are looking good. The rubber's looking good. When you look down the side of the car, look how nice and straight it is. I tell you what, I want to go racing after taking a look at this car. She is sweet. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this car. We've got about 230 cars in stock right now, and we own every one of those cars. Now we bring in about 40 new cars every month, so make sure you keep a close eye on us on YouTube, Facebook, and our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Now I'm involved in buying every one of the cars here at Vanguard, so what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience in the hot rod industry, helping you pick out your dream car. It's Road Runner time, guys. I tell you what, you want to talk about cool, this Road Runner's cool. It looks like a race car, it sounds like a race car, and it drives like a race car. Let's go racing. What a sweet ride we got here, guys. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this Road Runner anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. If you need some help with financing, we got you covered on that end too. No problem. We work with about 3 bankers. We can get you financed on this car. Just call Tom and he will hook you up and we'll get this dream parked in your driveway. It is sweet. It's got that stroker motor under the hood. It's a 4-speed. It's got a slick paint job on it. I love the stance on the car. Like I said, she looks like a race car. She sounds like a race car. It is just a sweet ride here. You want to talk about unique, I guarantee you, you pull into the car show with this baby, there will not be another one of these there. It is sweet, guys. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're only about 20 minutes from the airport. If you'd like to fly in and check out this beauty, we'd love to have you. You know, we don't get to meet a lot of our customers because most people buy sight unseen and we ship them right out to their driveways. So we'd love to have people come in and check the cars out in person. If you want to send an inspector, no problem there either. If you want to drive in on a Saturday, we're here till 3 o'clock. Just give Tom a call. We've got about 80,000 square feet, so, and about 220 cars right now. So if you are coming out, please call Tom, let him know you're coming. That way we can have your favorite car out to the front. There might be 6 or 7 cars on the way to get your favorite car out. So if you can give us a heads up, it'll help us show you that car. Look at this, no problem whatsoever. We get to listen to that awesome exhaust. And that's only about half throttle, guys. I mean, this car wants to get up and go. And it's got the pistol grip with the long shifter. These Mopars are so badass, I love them. Now we're coming up on our shop right now and we're gonna do something that nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna get this car up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna take a look under the hood, what's making all that beautiful music coming out of those machine gun tips on that exhaust. Get around the corner here. Here's our building here at 15100 Keel Street. So stick with us. We're gonna put it up on the rack for you right now so you can check out the underside. All right, we're underneath this Road Runner now, and it is really nice underneath. You can see, look at that tank, look at the paint job. That looks like that may be a powder coat job. It's so beautiful. It looks like it's got new exhaust, fuel filters mounted here. Frame's in good shape, trunk floor looks good. We got right around the 355 gear in here, and it is a sure grip. Looks like it's got Bilstein shocks, they look new. It's got Wilwood disc brakes out back. Frame looks nice and tough back here. Some real good looking Flowmaster mufflers. A great looking Y-pipe here. All the cross members are all cleaned up. It's got the Mopar trans in it. Looks like also the stock bell housing. It's got the stock clutch that would have come with the car originally. It's got some nice long tube headers that have been jet coated. The whole front suspension up here looks like it's been powder coated or it's got one thick coat of paint on it. It is beautiful. Wilwood disc brakes up front. Bilstein's also up here. A big sway bar up front. The core support looks good. That's the brake line going side to side right there also. It's just beautiful under here, guys. Man, this is a real hot rod. It's ready to go racing. Let's look at wheels and tires. All right, up front here we've got, let's see, 275 60/15s. That's some traction up front for the corners. And I love the NASCAR style skirt on there. Man, does that look badass. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here we got two 85 60/16s out back. Good looking rim here. I tell you what, that thing is sharp. And now my cameraman's telling me I called the X-pipe a Y-pipe, so just for your information, it is an X-pipe. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got a stroker motor. Now, the previous owner says they bought this motor at Jags. It's a 360 stroker to stroke to 408. It's got a 750 Holly, not a Holly, it's got an Edelbrock sitting on top of an RPM Edelbrock intake. Good looking alternator. Now it does have power brakes and it's got manual steering. Like I said, this thing's built to go racing. We got a really cool air cleaner here. We're taking in cold air from the plenum up here in front of the radiator. The paintwork on the inner wheelhouses looks great. The paintwork on the firewall looks awesome. It's got a late model master cylinder on it. There is an adjustable deal there for the back brakes on the, it's a Wilwood setup, or SSBC it says. We got Wilwood brakes, but it's got an SSB proportioning valve on it there. Again, the K members all painted up, looking great. We got electric fans on this cross-flow aluminum radiator. I tell you, this car is super cool, guys. I just drove it this afternoon and had a blast. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.